This video will guide you through the process of utilizing the screen distance feature on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. Before we explore the specifics, let's gain an understanding of the screen distance feature and its functionalities. This feature measures the distance between your eyes and the screen, promoting eye protection and delivering reminders when your iPhone is too close. Now that you're acquainted with the capabilities of the iPhone screen distance feature, initiate the process by updating your iPhone to the latest iOS version. To check, access Settings, navigate to General, and select Software Update. Allow a few seconds for the system to check for updates. And if one is available, proceed with the installation. Once your iPhone is updated, let's activate the screen distance feature. Access Settings, tap on Screen Time, and within the Limit Usage section, select Screen Distance. Tap on Continue. Familiarize yourself with the functionality of the screen distance feature, and then tap on Continue once more. There you have it. The screen distance feature is now activated on your iPhone. Keep in mind that this feature is exclusive to iPhones equipped with Face ID. This video will certainly provide comfort to your eyes while using your iPhone. To find solutions for all your tech queries, subscribe to Guiding Tech and explore one of these videos curated just for you.